morning. So it is Monday morning. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning and I've got to get going here. But I wanted to do a video because I'm getting ready to make a smoothie. So I actually haven't made a smoothie in a while. I've really been on a green juice kick. But this morning I wanted to make a green smoothie. So I'm going to add frozen bananas, fresh strawberries, a couple of fresh chopped apples that I had from yesterday left over, and some spinach. I might put a little bit of a green powder. My favorite green powder is the Vitamin Mineral Green. Now we have a cat interruption. Look at this bundle of joy. This is Lou. He's my bundle. You being a good boy. Oh, he is purring. He's purring so loud. Oh, I just love him. Anyway, so this is my favorite superfood for in terms of a green powder. So I really love this. I might add. These are actually the capsules, but you can just always break open a capsule and it's the same powder as if you buy it just in the powdered form. So let's get going. This is going to be a really, really good, healthy, nutrient-rich smoothie. Okay, you guys, excuse my attire because I'm getting ready to go rebound. So anyway, this is my Vitamix blender. I'm actually going to add a fresh banana. The frozen bananas that I had didn't look too good. So once I see that the bananas turn a little bit brown when I freeze them, I don't think that they're good anymore. I might be wrong. They might be totally fine and that might just be a little oxidation, but I don't know. I just steer away from it. So I'm going to put a fresh banana in. So I know what some of you guys may be thinking. You may be thinking, that is a ton of fruit. But see, I am not a fruit phobe, and I would encourage you to be the same. Fruit is incredibly rich in water, nutrients, and fiber. So some people say that fruit has too much sugar, it's way too much sugar, but the thing is that fruit and dates and all these things have a ton of fiber in them to slow down the blood sugar process. So it's amazing. I love fruit. I have always eaten a ton of it. Not always, but in my vegan journey, and I love it very much. It also makes things taste good, makes it colorful, and that's what I'm all about, is colorful fruits and vegetables that are full of antioxidants, full of these things that we need, and frankly, most of us are deficient in. So I love fruit, and I think I always will. So, okay, on with the smoothie. Talk about this. So this is Flax Oil by the brand Barleans. This is just a this is a vegan formula that's really, really high in omega-3. So often we can get a ton of omega-6s, a lot of omega-9s, and sunflower seeds, almonds, things like that, but we need to balance it out with the omega-3s, and so this is just another way to do it. This is in the strawberry banana flavor. It tastes really good. And I have noticed when I eat a lot of this, my skin gets much more radiant and clear, and I just really think that there's a lot of beauty in omega-3. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of this to the smoothie. Then I'm going to add a few capsules, maybe about 3 of the Vitamin Mineral Green. Then we're going to blend. I'm also going to add a little bit of water into the smoothie. We have another cat interruption. This is Peanut. And he's such a sweet boy. Yes, you are. Duvet and vanilla ice cream. More than just one night together exclusively.